this. Hi, I'm John. In this video, I will walk you through the easy and convenient way to assemble, use, and clean the upgraded version of the 360-degree Magic Mop by Aootek. Each box contains one bucket, a stainless steel pole, the dehydrating steel basket, and two microfiber mop heads. To assemble, simply remove the white cap from the mop head and attach to the stainless steel rod. Screw the two parts of the telescopic rod together and attach the microfiber to the mop head with a click. You can use your foot to press down hard. Wait until you hear the snap so the mop head will not come off during use. The 360 Magic Mop is incredibly absorbent. To test this, I'm going to spill this pitcher of juice. The microfiber hydrates instantly. In just seconds, all the liquid we spilled is gone. To rinse, simply dunk it in clean water and press down. Don't forget to release the lock from the steel rod so the mop can spin in the water. Traditional mops require you to drag and plunge in the bucket, which takes more work and can also cause spillage. To dry, lift from the water and start pushing it into the steel spinner. It spins super fast and dries out the liquid completely. See how thoroughly it dehydrates? Each plunge squeezes out all the liquid from the microfiber mop head. It dries so effectively that I can place the now dried mop on a piece of paper and leave no watermarks. The 360 Magic Mop also has an adjustable handle and is machine washable. All parts are made from high quality material that can last you a long time. Easy to use, absolutely convenient, and practical.
Our floors are always so messy, and this makes cleaning them so much easier. The extendable handle option is awesome, and the swivel head makes cleaning super easy.
Honestly, I'm a big fan. These are reusable, and it saves us money, and it's good for the environment.
This is professional grade and way better than the wimpy mops we used before.
This product can fit under the smallest places, making it really easy to reach those hard to clean places.
Why O-Cedar? Because when I get home, we like to play crocodile on the floor.
O-Cedar EasyWring removes over 99% of bacteria, even with just water, and rings with a press of a pedal. EasyWring. Easy and truly clean floors.
Try it. You'll see.
Also discover the O-Cedar ProMist Max for the fastest everyday clean. O-Cedar, it feels great to feel at home.